Now you will see that my application is installed here, and that is into a folder. For example, the folder name is here. If I go to my project, you will see here this was the admin panel Laravel, and my HTML file is here, that is the grocery e-commerce HTML. That is my HTML folder that I have explained you in the previous lecture here, right? And now in the admin panel Laravel, this is the main project folder. So I am going to implement this HTML into this main project folder, but before going there, I am going to copy a thing here, that is the duplicate. I am going to make a duplicate, and then I will make it change the name. For example, that can be the grocery e-commerce Laravel. Okay, so like this. So this is my main project folder. So from here, the project folder was admin panel Laravel. I am going to reopen this open folder in my VS Code editor, and then I am going to open this project that I converted into grocery e-commerce Laravel, right? And here I will have to change something. For example, it was the previous database name, so now it will be changed. So this name will be changed to this name. So I am going to rename it now from here, that is the grocery e-commerce Laravel, but here I use something like this. Okay, and I use here a double quote, that is better. So grocery e-commerce Laravel, and here the project name you can go here, that is the Fresh Mart. For example, Fresh Mart or something like that you can write here. And now what I will do, Fresh Mart is okay. Now here I am just going to change it. That is the export, not export, it is the operation. Or here another thing you can do, that is instead of this you can change the name, that is the Fresh Mart. So that will be better, I think. So Fresh Mart. So I can use the Fresh Mart here. So that is okay. Now if I do that, I close it again, and here change it to Fresh Mart. Okay. So Fresh Mart, and here the HTML file name I can change it to Fresh Mart HTML, and here is Fresh Mart Laravel. So Fresh Mart Laravel, and here the hyphen I am going to convert it to underscore. So that is good, Fresh Mart Laravel. Now I am going to open it with my VS Code editor, open folder, project, and Fresh Mart Laravel. So that is good, and here it will be the Fresh Mart Laravel. So database name I will have to change by this. So I am going to my admin panel Laravel operation, rename database to. Here I give this on, click on go, and you see the Fresh Mart Laravel is the name. And in the admins table email address, I am going to use example.com, admin@example.com, and password always 1234, and that should work. And this application it will not run now because here I have changed this. So in terminal I am going to run php artisan serve, and then it should run. So I click here, you see, yes, it is coming, but it's still error because it is showing the unknown database admin panel Laravel, right? You see that I already have changed it to Fresh Mart Laravel, and here I also have changed it to here, but it is still is not working because sometimes the caching can be a problem. So here I am going to run php artisan cache clear, or for example config clear first, and then I am going to write cache clear. Then you can also clear the route, and also you can clear the view. So it is okay. Now if I go here, refresh, you see now it is working. So it is the front end, you see, home, about page. I just created these items and implemented the login and register as the user. That is okay. And my admin panel was actually this one, the admin login. So it is working. So I changed it to example.com. So like this, password is 1234. You see the login is successful and there is no error, everything is working, right? So there is no issue. So my database has been changed, and also the project folder name, everything has been changed.